Hello everyone, see on the board. This is second problem here. Solve 4x cube minus 24x square plus 23x plus 18 is equal to 0 given that the roots are in AP. This is also same problem as the first one. One polynomial is given and the roots are in AP. Okay, what is the procedure you see? Given polynomial 4x cube minus 24x square plus 23x plus 18 is equal to 0, take it as equation 1. Compare the given equation with the standard form, then you will get A value as 4, B value as minus 24, C value as 23, D value as 18. Now A, B, C, D is over. How to take? Usually we are taking the roots as alpha, beta, gamma. I said in the previous video that whenever the roots are given in AP, we should not take alpha, beta, gamma. How to take the roots? Let, not let. Given the roots are in AP, given that the roots are in AP, now assume the roots here. Let A minus D comma A plus D are the roots. This one is alpha, this one is beta, this one is gamma. After taking these three roots, we have to apply S1 formula. What is S1 formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B by A. What is alpha? A minus D. What is beta? A. What is gamma? A plus D minus. What is the value of B? Check it here. That is minus 24. By A value is what? 4. So minus D plus D gets cancelled. A plus A we are getting 3A is equal to minus into minus 4 plus 24 by 6. Sorry, 24 by 4. 4 how many times here? 4 6 are 24. So 3A is equal to 6, then A is equal to 6 by 3, then A is equal to 2. One root is over. After getting one root, what to do? Synthetic division. Synthetic division. How to do the synthetic division? We have to write the coefficients. 4, minus 24, 23, 18. So the first number is 4, the next one is 24, minus 24, the next one is 23, the next one is 18. Take a line like this. A is equal to 2 means that is nothing but x is equal to 2. This is a formula. Under the first number we have to keep 0. 4, 0. Again we are adding the numbers here. 4, 0. If I add, then you will get 4. Multiply like this. 2 into 4. 2 into 4, what you will get? 8. That you write down here. Here minus, here plus means we have to subtract the numbers. 24 minus 8. You will get what you know? Minus 16. Multiply these two numbers again. 2 into minus 16. That is minus 32. Subtract it because 23 having plus symbol, 32 minus means one is plus, one is minus. Subtract it. 32 minus 23. How much? Here 7, here 2. 9. Minus 9. 2 into minus 9. That is minus 18. Plus 18 minus 18. You are getting 0 answer. Now the cubic polynomial will be reduced up to quadratic polynomial. See here, under the 4 we are taking x square, here x, this is constant. So take 2 this side, you will get x minus 2 into, multiply these two. 4x square minus 16x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we have to split it into factors here. 4 9s are 36. How to write? 4x square minus 16x minus 9 is equal to 0. 4 9s are 36. 4 into minus 9, this is the rough work here. 4 into minus 9 means minus 36. I want minus 36. How to get? The middle number is minus 16. So one side I am taking minus 18 and 2. Minus 18 plus 2 means minus 16. 18 2s are 36. So our work is over. So how to split 4x square? One side we are taking plus 2x this side and minus 18x here, minus 9 is equal to 0. In this 2 I am taking 2x common, you will get 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, you write down, it is minus 9. I am taking minus 18x is there, no, I am taking 2x is inside. So minus 9 we have to write outside of the bracket. Now see here, 2x plus 1 into here 2x minus 9. 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2x minus 9 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore, the roots are, what is the first root here? 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 9 by 2. These are the roots. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class. See on the board, this is problem number 3. Solve x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0 given that the roots are in GP. Last two problems roots are in AP. This is the third one, the roots are in GP. Once again, I will tell you, whenever the roots are in AP, in short form I will tell you the procedure. We are taking the roots a minus d, a plus d, we are applying S1, then you will get a value by using a, we are doing synthetic division, you will get quadratic equation, split it, you will get 2 factors, problem is over. One more time, a minus d, a plus d are the roots, we are applying S1 formula, from that you will get a value, by using this a, we are doing synthetic division. After doing synthetic division, you are getting a quadratic equation, split it into factors, you will get 2 roots here. The first one is 1, these 2 are 2. So totally 3 roots, the problem is over. In GP, one small change is there. Because AP and GP both are different, no? So whenever GP given, see the short procedure you see here. GP, whenever GP given and that too third degree polynomial given, we have to take the roots like this, a by r, a r. We have to take the roots a by r, a r. Instead of S1, in AP we applied S1, but in GP we are applying S3. S3 means alpha into beta into gamma. As you know the formula, alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is S3 formula. When you apply S3, automatically you will get a value. In the previous problem also, when you applied S1, we got a over there. Here also same thing. You are applying S3, I am getting a. After getting a, the procedure is same dear here. We are applying synthetic division, then again we will get a quadratic equation, split it into factors, you will get the answer. So what we have to keep in our mind means, whenever the problem is given in AP, we are applying S1. Whenever the problem is given in GP, we are applying S3. AP means S1, GP means S3. In both the cases, you are getting A. Using that A, you just do the synthetic division, then you will get a quadratic equation, split it into factors. Got it? Now see on the board how to do the problem. One polynomial is given. So given polynomial, that is x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0. As I said, just compare all the values. What is the value of a here? A is equal to 1. Nothing is there means 1. B value means minus 7. C means, what is the number here? 14. C means, sorry, C not. D means minus 8. A over B, C, D. Check it. A means 1, B means minus 7, C means plus 14 and D means minus 18. Given that the roots are in GP, how to assume the roots here? Let A by R, comma, A, comma, AR are the roots. Now what I have to apply? S1 or S3? You tell me. S3, that is S3 formula alpha beta gamma is equal to, what is the formula? Minus D by A. What is alpha? A by R into AR is equal to minus, what is the value of D here? Minus 8, A value 1. See here, R gets cancelled. A into A, you will get A cube is equal to minus into minus plus, this is 8. So A cube is equal to 2 cube I can write. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. See, on both the sides the powers are same, so A is equal to 2. As I said, after getting A value in both the cases, in AP or in JP, what to do? We have to do synthetic division. See on the board, children, what are the coefficients here that we have to write? What is the first coefficient here? 1. Next one is minus 7, 14, minus 8. I am writing here 1, minus 7. The next one is 14. The next one is minus 8. Take a line like this. What is the root here? X is equal to 2, 0. We have to add the numbers. 1 plus 0, 1. Multiply these two numbers. 2 ones are 2. That you write down here. Add it. You will get minus 5. Multiply these two. You will get minus 10. Add it. You will get plus 4. 2 into 4, 8. 0. Under the first number we are writing x square. X, this is constant. How to write now? X minus 2 into 1 into x square, that is 1x square, minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Do the rough work. First number is 1, last number is 4. 1 into 4, the answer is 4. How to split the middle term? X square minus 1x minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. 1 4s are 4. I am taking x common. You will get x minus 1. X minus 1 within the bracket keep is equal to 0. Minus 4x is there. I am taking x inside. Minus 4 you just write down outside. X minus 1, x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. The roots are, what are the roots here? The first root is 2, 1, 4. So 1 comma 2 comma 4. So wait a moment, children. See on the board. This is a polynomial. The roots are in GP. The GP given polynomial you write down. A, B, C, D list out. Given that the roots are in GP. How to take the roots? A by R, A R. Which one we have to apply? S1 or S3? S3. Formula alpha beta gamma minus D by A. R gets cancelled, A cube 8, A is equal to synthetic division. Split it into factors, you will get the answer. Now see the next problem, problem number 4.